Okay, so today we're doing the capstone for PowerPoint modules 1 through 3. Step 1, reuse the slides from the support file. So go to the last slide at the end of the presentation. And then insert, reuse slides, browse, and download support file. There you go. Now when you do this, make sure you deselect this so that you're not using the source formatting. Because there's the steps when you're formatting those slides will mess up if you don't, so make sure you click on this and then insert all. And then change the design of the presentation as follows. So, design. Change the theme to office. And the theme colors to red. There we go. And then insert a footer. So insert text, header and footer. Slide number, and then in the footer text, Santa Rita Planning Department. And then display it on all slides except for the title slide. So don't put on title slide. Apply to all. Okay. And then on slide 1, enter Santa Rita CA. On slide 2, insert a picture. So use the content placeholder, click on that little button, downloads, and then the map. And then we crop out the bottom right triangle, so we zoom in. Alright. With slide 2 still displayed, format the bulleted list. So delete the item Forest Road. Increase the indent of Mansion Cove, Overlook Ridge, and Pioneer Square. Insert the indent. Change the font color. So we can select all, Control A, and then change the font color to dark red, accent 1, darker 25. Bold the level 1 list items, so identify landmarks, B. Identify historic districts. You can use Control B as a shortcut on your keyboard. And answer the questions. Remaining on slide 2, animate the text as follows. So take the content placeholder on the left, that's this text box. And then we animate it. So animations. Fly in. And then effect options all at once. And then the direction from left. Change the duration to 1 second. Then you look at it. There we go. On slide 3, insert a smart art by converting this list. Convert to smart art. That's a basic timeline. Change the smart art style to moderate effect. With slide 3 still displayed, add a slide note. Request feedback from city residents. Alright, so now on slide 4, format the picture in the center. So resize the picture to a width of 3. Oops. Align the bottom picture with the bottom of picture 4. So, and then align it to the right side of picture 2. Apply the simple frame black. Apply the animation on picture 4, so animations, animation painter, and then to picture 5. And then select all the pictures, shift, and then select them, and change the start setting to after previous. Cool. Still on slide 4, we insert a text box. And then it says, plus many more historic homes. It's time to read that. Change the font size, select all, 48 points. Resize the text box to a height of 2.5 and a width of 5.5. And then, so what we want to do is select this thing, and then do text box, wrap text in shape. There we go. And then do not autofit, and then that'll make it so that the text goes in here. So now we take this, center the text in the text box, change the fill color to white background 1, and the outline color to black text 1. Align the text box in the middle and the center. So align middle, align center, and then shape effects, shadow, offset, center. Still on slide 4, go to animations, select the text box, apply the zoom entrance in animation, and then the start setting to after previous. And now we can preview the animations on the slide. On slide 5, change the layout, so slides layout, to title only. With slide 5 still displayed, modify the shapes as follows. Send the rounded rectangle to the back, so we select it like around here. Shape format, and then send to back. Enter the text renovate in the brown rectangle. So that's this one, renovate. Insert a rectangle, so shapes, rectangle. Resize the new rectangle to a height of 2.5 and a width of 2. Apply the subtle effect shape style. So subtle effect, brown, accent 5. And then apply the tight reflection, so shape effects, reflection, tight reflection, touching. And then the smart guides. On slide 6, modify the group of shapes. So flip the reconstruction shape vertically, flip vertical, copy the preservation shape, so Control C, and then paste, Control V, below this, and then use renovation as the text. Change the fill color to orange accent 3. So make sure it says orange accent 3. If you don't see orange accent 3, not accent 2, but accent 3, that means that you didn't, when you were inserting these slides, the like reuse slides, that means you didn't that means you didn't use the click the use source formatting. You should be able to just go into design and do the themes again and the color again, but the easy way is to just deselect the use source formatting thing. But the renovation shape should be orange, accent 3, and the outline orange, accent 3, darker 25%. And then we align the left side with the left side of preservation and the top and bottom of the renovation shape with the top and bottom of the reconstruction shape. Alright, with slide 6 still displayed, modify the shape, and the shape fill, picture from file, and then the mansion image, insert. Apply the corrections, sharpen 50%, and then the color tone, 8800K. Slide 7, we take this preservation month text, and then shape format, quick styles, fill orange, accent color 3, sharp bevel. Change the transform effect to chevron up, this one, and then change the text fill color to orange accent 2, so that's this one. If slide 7 is still displayed, insert a chart, so stacked column chart, it's this one. Okay. Enter the data as shown in table 1. So we gotta take this, we select on this thing, and click delete. Because there's only 2 of these, we also delete this. Then we fill in the text 2022, 2023, goal for 2024, grants, donations, and then 5,000, 12,000, 7,500, 10,000, and then 19,000, 24,000. I think whether or not you put the commas, it's gonna work either way. And then that's right. Exit. Enter data, and then change the chart style to style 2. Enter the title, fundraising goals. Change the font size to 20 points. On slide 7, still, we distribute the 3 rounded shapes. So 1, 2, 3, select by using Shift, and distribute horizontally. So on slide 7, in cell B1, there's nothing special about this one. You just write www.sr.cengage.gov, and after, make sure you press space so that it becomes a hyperlink. Alternatively, you can do it by going into Insert, Links, Insert Link, and then type the address here, www.sr.cengage.gov, if the other method isn't working. Just make sure that it becomes green. Whoops. www.sr.cengage.gov. Add a row to the end of the table. So layout, insert below, and then enter the text. Shirt or mug. And then the table design, table style, medium, style 2, accent 1. Apply the fade transition from the subtle section. So transitions, subtle,